Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Also, they have a website. Everybody knows its name, especially in the video game industry. This is coming from my good friends over at Turtle Beach. We're going to see what they sent us, and you guys can order one right now. Take advantage of the sales going on. Hopefully, you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. Well, they got everything you need, so definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Got a lot of paper. Everything's protected well. Man. Here we go. This is brand new. Just about hit the market. Probably already started now. This is a Bumblebee 2 Professional Cardioid USB condenser microphone. Ooh, baby. Great for podcasts, streaming, twitching, TikToking. You name it. Whoops. This is a good one to get, guys. Definitely excited to test this out. Really nice looking. Neat. See, streaming, vocals, podcasts, gaming. So, there's all the good stuff right here. Got USB. Alright, let's take a look at it. Oh, I get her out. Here we go. Alrighty. And the holidays are coming up, so maybe you got a gaming buddy or a gift to yourself. Or maybe just an extra microphone you guys are gonna need for your podcast. Always have a couple around in case you have more than one guest. Makes it a smoother day. Here we go. Whoa. Now this is a manual. And we got a USB right there. Remove this. Got a bolt right there. How are we gonna need that? Probably just mount it down on a desk or wherever you decide to have it. Empty. Here we go. Let's get this bad boy out of its nest. Here we go. Gonna need this cord. Damn. There we go. Out of the way. USB. Pretty good cord too. Still gotta figure out what this is for. Okay. Oops. I got packaging. Ooh. Super lightweight. Okay. Oh, this is a nice feel. I like this. Doesn't take up too much room. Clean this up a little bit. Go, Bumblebees in action. Now let's adjust. There's the star of the show. Oh, look how it's shaped. I like this a lot. Way better than the other ones I have. Swivel. You can see the mic. Get up and close. Neat. So definitely check these guys out. Turtle Beach. Like I said, everybody should know them. They've been around for a long time, which is a good thing. There we go. Still got to figure out that part. And let's see. I think I can see. Oh, here we go. Here's the USB go. Here goes the headset. So that's easy. And you could use, Alexa and stuff like that with it on your computer. Not sure what the bolts is for though. Take a browse. We'll set this up in my room in a second. Okay. It's strange that they would just... Oh, here we go. Oh, it's to replace with the yoik. Oh, it's a yoik. Well, we don't need to use it right now, so we'll have this plugged in. Turn it on. Headphone push button to change modes. Headphone volume is yellow. Output level is green. Max is blue. Okay. So that's easy. So let's take this side in. This goes in the bottom right here. There we go. Once we plug it into USB, I gotta go find a spot for this. We'll be right back into my room. Alright guys, we got the green or yellow light. There's a blue, max volume, green. That's for the headset. There we go. Alexa. Let's see if I could do... You can adjust my computer settings. Totally forgot about that. Make sure my Alexa is turned on. But you could, do your podcast streaming. And other goodies. There we go. Alexa. I'm going to switch. Alexa. Alexa. Oh my god, man. Alexa. Weather today. See? Pops up there. Really cool. But like I said, you can use it for your Zoom. Pretty much anything that you stream. Podcasts. Really cool. Doesn't take too much room up at all. So you might want to grab a couple. Like I said, if you got a lot of guests coming on your show, these are nice ones to get. And affordable cost too. So definitely check the price out. Click that link and see what other goodies, because they got headsets that you're going to need. Stuff like that. So definitely check them out, guys. I think that's about it though. I mean, covered everything else. Recording, you do videos, voiceovers. Also, so if you got a lot of projects coming up in that field, there's a green light on. So, like I said, probably gotta keep it over here. Definitely cool. There you go. You can always adjust it, pointing it down that way. So, kind of like a sports broadcaster. This would be good for like voiceovers and stuff like that. Play-by-play. So really cool, guys. Check them out. Turtle Beach. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy. See ya.